In this video, we will talk about some of the standard examples of binary operation. So number one we are taking as the matrix addition and matrix multiplication. So in this case, we will take a particular set of matrices, that is the set of all n cross n matrices and this set actually denoted by MNR. This R means the entries of these matrices will be real. So set of all n cross n matrices we have taken, and we are defining star to be matrix addition. Then we can say star is obviously a binary function from A cross A to A, because if you take any two matrices, say A1 and A2 from A, then we can see that A1 plus A2 will be also an n cross n matrix, and it will be belonging to A, so it will be a binary operation. Similarly, if we take not, say, to be the matrix multiplication, then also we can say that if we take A1 A2 two matrices from the set A, and if we operate them, then A1 A2 the product will also be in the set A, because again the product of 2 cross 2 product of two n cross n matrices will be again an n cross n matrix, so the product will be again in the set A, so we can say it is a binary operation. Another important example is, say we are taking F to be the set of all functions F from some set A to A. Here A is a non-empty set. Then we are defining the binary operation star as, or say binary operation composition as the composition of two functions. Then if we take two functions f and g from the set F, then we will see that F compose G will also be a binary, it will be a function from A to A. So this will be belonging to, and that will imply that F compose G is also belonging to script F, because F compose G is a function from A to A. So this composition of functions is again a binary operation. And okay, so the third example is modular operations. There are two kinds of modular operation, one is addition and one is multiplication. So suppose we are taking the set A to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's a finite set of 6 elements, and we are defining the binary operation star to be, so A star B to be A plus B if A plus B is greater, if A plus B is less than 6, and it will be A plus B minus 6 if A plus B is greater or equal to 6. So this addition operation is called modular addition or addition modulo 6. This 6 will be used here as the index, so we call it addition modulo 6. Okay, see, it will be a binary operation because whenever you are taking A and B so that A plus B is less than 6, it will be in the set A, and also if A and B are so that A plus B is greater or equal to 6, then the operation is saying that we have to subtract 6 from that, so it will be again less than 6 and it will be in the set A. So in both the cases the result A star B will be belonging to A. That's why it is a binary operation. Suppose we are taking, say, A equals to 1 and B equals to 2. Then what will be A star B? Since A plus B is 3 and 3 is less than 6, so clearly by the first definition it will be 3. But if we take A as 4 and B as 5, then what is A star B? Then A star B means 4 plus 5, and 4 plus 5 is greater than 6. So we have to use the second definition. That's why it will be 4 plus 5 minus 6. That means 3. Okay. So that's how addition modulo operation works. So clearly it is a binary operation.